Welcome to our channel. If you are an avid cyclist or a home mechanic, having the right bike repair stand can make all the difference in your maintenance routine. Today we are diving into the top 7 bike repair stands for 2024. Whether you are looking for something robust for your workshop or a portable option for on-the-go repairs, we have got you covered. Let's get into the details and find the perfect stand for your needs. First on our list, we have the Park Tool PCS 10.3 Mechanic Repair Stand. Renowned for its durability and precision, this stand is a staple in many professional bike shops. It features a strong steel frame that ensures stability even during the most demanding repairs. The PCS 10.3 is designed with a 360-degree rotating clamp that securely holds your bike in any position, making it ideal for detail work or any part of your bike. One of the standard features of the PCS 10.3 is its adjustable height, allowing you to work comfortably whether you are sitting or standing. The stand also boasts a quick-release clamp that accommodates various frame sizes and shapes, ensuring a secure hold without causing damage. Its base is designed to be foldable for easy storage and transport, though it's built to be heavy-duty enough for regular use. The Park Tool PCS 10.3 is praised for its long-lasting performance and reliability. It's a great choice for both professional mechanics and serious hobbyists who need a dependable stand that can handle frequent use and challenging repairs. The build quality and
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
thoughtful design makes it a top pick for those seeking a robust and versatile repair stand. At number 2, we have the Feedback Sports Sprint Bike Repair Stand. This stand is well regarded for its sleek, compact design and ease of use. Constructed from durable aluminum, the Sprint stand is lightweight yet steady, making it a great option for both home mechanics and professionals. The stand features a unique tripod base that offers excellent stability while being easy to set up and transport. The Sprint Bike Repair Stand includes a quick adjust clamp that allows you to easily secure your bike in place. The clamp is designed to fit a wide range of frame sizes and styles, and it holds the bike securely without scratching the finish. Additionally, the stand height is adjustable so you can customize it to your walking height for added comfort. One of the key benefits of the Feedback Sports Sprint is its portability. The stand folds down to a compact size, making it easy to store or take with you to races and events. It's a versatile option for those who need a reliable stand that combines durability with convenience, making bike maintenance and repairs more manageable. Next up at number 3, we have the R80 Cycle Telescoping Bicycle Stand. This stand is designed with a focus on adjustability and versatility, featuring a telescoping design that allows for easy height adjustment. Its steady construction ensures that it can handle various bike sizes and weights, providing a stable platform for your repairs. The R80 Cycle Stand is equipped with a clamp that rotates 360 degrees, allowing you to access any part of the bike without having to reposition it. The stand's design also includes a wide base that prevents slipping and adds stability during use. Its telescoping feature enables you to adjust the height quickly, making it suitable for both standing and sitting work positions. What sets the R80 Cycle Stand apart is its ease of assembly and disassembly. It is portable and compact, making it a practical choice for those who need a reliable stand that can be easily transported or stored. The stand's robust build and flexible features make it a solid choice for anyone looking for a versatile and dependable repair solution. Next up is the CXWXC Bike Repair Stand, which combines professional-grade features with home-use convenience. Constructed with high-quality steel, this stand is built to last and withstand heavy use. Its design includes a steady base and an adjustable clamp that securely holds your bike in place, allowing for precise and efficient repairs. The CXWXC stand features a quick-release clamp that is adjustable to fit various frame sizes and styles. This makes it versatile enough to handle different types of bikes, from road to mountain. The stand's height is also adjustable, providing flexibility to work comfortably whether you are sitting or standing. In addition to its robust construction, the CXWXC stand is designed with a foldable frame for easy storage and transport. This makes it a practical choice for home mechanics who need a reliable stand that doesn't take up too much space. Its durability and user-friendly features make it a great option for those seeking a stand that balances performance with convenience. Number 5 on our list is the ROCKBROS Bike Repair Stand Bench Mount. This stand is designed for those who prefer a fixed setup, offering a solid and stable platform for bike repairs. Mounted directly to your workbench, it eliminates the need for a standalone stand and provides a steady base for handling various repair tasks. The ROCKBROS stand features a durable clamp that can be adjusted to fit different frame sizes and shapes. Its design allows for 360-degree rotation, making it easy to work on all parts of the bike without having to reposition it constantly. The bench mount setup also ensures that the stand remains stable and secure during use. One of the key advantages of the ROCKBROS stand is its space-saving design. By mounting it to your bench, you free up floor space, making it ideal for smaller workshops or garages. Its robust build and fixed positioning provide excellent stability, making it a reliable choice for serious bike mechanics who need a permanent repair solution. At number 6, we have the BikeHand bike repair stand. This stand is designed to be both portable and durable, making it a great choice for home use. Constructed from high-strength steel, it offers a steady and stable platform for bike repairs. This stand features a quick-release clamp that is adjustable to accommodate different bike sizes and frame shapes, allowing you to customize the working height for added comfort. The stand's design also includes a wide base for increased stability, preventing tipping and ensuring a secure hold during repairs. Its foldable design makes it easy to store or transport, adding to its versatility. This stand is well suited for home mechanics who need a reliable, portable option for bike maintenance. Its combination of durability, ease of use and portability makes it a practical choice for anyone looking to perform repairs and adjustments efficiently. The BikeHand stand provides a great balance of performance and convenience for home-based bike repairs. Finally, at number 7, we have the Yaheetech bike repair stand. This stand is designed to cater to both home and professional use. Offering a blend of functionality and durability, constructed with a heavy-duty steel frame, it provides a stable and robust platform for bike repairs. The stand features an adjustable clamp that can securely hold various bike frames, making it versatile for different types of bicycles. The Yaheetech stand includes a height-adjustable feature that allows you to work comfortably whether you are sitting or standing. Its clamp rotates 360 degrees, enabling easy access to all parts of the bike without the need for constant repositioning. The stand's base is wide and steady, providing excellent stability and preventing tipping during use. One of the notable features of the Yaheetech stand is its foldable design, which makes it easy to store or transport. This makes it a great option for those who need a reliable stand that can be conveniently stored when not in use. The stand's combination of durability, adjustability and portability makes it a top choice for both home and workshop settings. And that wraps up our review of the top 7 bike repair stands for 2024. Whether you are a professional mechanic or DIY enthusiast, these stands offer a range of features to meet your bike repair needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.